And after looking into the whole issue, this government spokesperson, Secretary Chris Ano, also went out and narrated gave the report to the people as it was.
When I see how the first talk, in the first be physically stable, because these are murderers, these are petty thieves in this revolution. I think Eric Tatoran produced physical evidence for which we've done. They always talk about the criminal activities of Samuel Ikome Sako. They might play the video, make una hear, and then I go talk exactly. I go respond so that me una know who una be concerned Ambazonian citizens them and the family member them for those 23 youths them where they don't kidnap them. Make una hear way to way it and talk about them. It was a very serious matter. The motto for our revolution now: one for all for one. No one life no be less important for Ambazonia, so we take them very, very seriously. When I hear it away, the chief enabler a talk.
It was public knowledge, and so I don't even want to go there. Secretary Chris is here; he can just tell you again what is said. Maybe with this number of people here present, you might remember exactly that he said so, and that is exactly what it is. It does not change. If they are alive, maybe the Republic knows whether they are alive or they are dead.
So Samuel Ikome Sako, where na be the chief enabler, na give the order, na the control those forces, then na set the policy for those forces. Them, he don't tell una say it is exactly what Chris Ano says. That is a fact. And he talks say if them be alive, now only La République du Cameroon go know whether they don't die or not. Our forces them are the most fierce and most feared forces them. We Cameroon government they fear them. So the one go do exchange. They kidnap our people then for go sell them for La République du Cameroon take money. We be done he get the rumor already, but we had no evidence to back it. So we will not be fit talk them out there because we will not be get evidence. So wait to wait Samuel Sako the talk. When I be the gang boss for this boy them, it will give we a better understanding for which way it possibly it don't happen with those our fighters them. We'll be here from the keep people there they be done kidnap and go hold them for Kikai come, then part them was saw around talk for one of them. I know one give more information for their safety, but I don't talk with one of those people the way General Chacha be kidnap them for inside Banso, go keep them for that he come where they be bring this Ambazonian our fighter every day. They be talking for that Saturday before Chacha one die. For Saturday, if be dying, I think na Monday. For Saturday, they be release all those people them. But before they one release the people they be done kidnap and for Banso, they be divide our fighter them for day into groups them. Now the information that will be get them, that information will be confirmed by our inside sources and some of the people the way they be kidnap them. So wait to wait Samuel Sako the talk them, then the embarrassing ask this question when you be prepared. And it don't talk, you know, when you lie there like a pregnancy, you used to say you go make mistake, you give out the truth. So when I hear again wait to wait talk when I go know say these are the people the way they collaborate with La République du Cameroon for kill our soldier them for financial gains. When I hear wait to wait talk.
If they are alive, maybe La République knows whether they are alive or they are dead.
So when I hear wait to wait talk, it say maybe La République because them when they then catch our soldier, use the Bui warrior for arrest those soldier them, and then make video for the soldier they are gun them. We me say they don't confirm say the soldier then do with them. Now they want tell una say na La République fit tell una whether that soldier then they alive because now then they work with La République, now then hand that boy them probably for La République du Cameroon, and now then be the collaborator, now they work with the enemies. Now why that way even the ran sack Sako enough he go. Because the thing where they go put hand for La République, he must shidong for year for do am. So my country people them, may we take due diligence. I go play on a way to way. Chris Ano, he says he don't talk about this our people them. Now the thing this way, the Chris Ano be.
They will be crushed. This what happened in Bui should send a message. They will be crushed. This what happened.
So now their intention be being for crush those people them. So when I hear way to way the Chris Ano talk as Samuel Sako talk say way to way talk na exactly way to that way they intend for do for crush those our people them, for hand them for La République me la Republic du Cameroon do them the dirty job when their intention for crush our boys them
in
for Ground Zero.
should send with you out there.
So when I know they don't explain their intention, say their intention now for destroy not La Republic, but their intention now for destroy the Ambazonia Defense Forces, for make sure say me they no exist for inside Ambazonia. That one no be any objective of win the war for our independence, now an objective for assist La Republic du Cameroon for stop our potential for give them the victory for the people them. So we not know that one very well. I want me to also hear from those people them their what the way they be done talk about our soldier them.
Yeah, because they are now in the keeping of the Bui warriors, and for exactly where they've come from, but they have not come from far away.
Essentially, they are coming from, I mean, if they are carrying La Republic du Cameroon military uniforms, there is no doubt they are coming from La Republic.
So when I hear the people the way them be so cold, big liars, they lie in public without any shame. Look at Chris Ano. The talk say this boy them the commander for La Republic. 8 of those 23 boys are from Kugwe. 8 of them are sons and daughters of Kugwe. So when I get Kugwe picking them, when I go ask them, 8 of their picking and they for inside that group where they will go with General Efang for day. Majority of them then come up for inside Mezam. You get I don't want to give their name them because our security they say will not give out their names them because of the possibility say will be already suspected and they for La Republic will not be even want to release their images because of that. Our security clearance the Ranzina will not release them. So most of those people then are fight the way all now for Ground Zero na know them. Some of them be being an associate member them for inside the Ambazonia Defense Forces, not be even the ADF member them. Just associate member the way they be form that contender forces they come out. Their mission be being for go deliver weapons and for go collect new weapons them. We will then see the video where they be go for inside Pinyin, go give weapons them. So these are facts. But these two people them, these two clowns them, these two enablers, they can't stand for lie point blank, eyeball to eyeball with una Ambazonian them. Say those boy them na La Republic. Say if they even talk, they even when I see the same lie where they put them before, they talk say they be carry La Republic du Cameroon flag. When I be done see the video the way they show those weapons them, it be actually be now they be uniform the way they get them for their camp, then carry and put them on top they back them for their backpack, then talk say na La Republic du Cameroon their weapon than that. So when I see these people then get no credibility. I will tell una exactly which way they do them so that make una be sure for which way it happened, because we know say the people they lie. Now people they lie for now the devil them, as the Bible talks say the devil is a liar.
They did not put their arms down. We understand there have been some casualties, and may their souls rest in peace.
So now the liar this, now the murderer this. The one they talk say witchcraft, people they come up for village, press people their neck for night. The one he own witchcraft. Now the one way when he come for Bui, they need for tie of a stick burn am for killing a Bui son. For come outside can lie as we be done release the video on how they be done catch General Fon, tie hand for back, then drag it go and begin to make mockery of it, go put gun for immediate for your forehead, then shoot it point blank, execution style. So for if we come pathologically, for can create a story for justify specifically the execution for General Fon. For lie say they become surrender them, all man put gun for down. Now General Fon come out can't talk to me people they attack me or man take gun for fight. Now why that way they assassinate General Fon for if you come up with this specific story. Now for tell una say he collaborate with the Cameroon army them where General Fon be the kill them as a sniper for ADF. He collaborate with them and they be done specifically target General Fon for execution. Una remember say out of the 39 people the way they be arrested, the way they be kidnapped for day. Most of them will be a General Fon picking them, where they be released them. Now why that the remaining number become remain number 23.